Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. We just pulled this panel off, but I wanted to show you guys, you need to seal across the top of your mobile home faucet. If you don't, this is what it does on the back side. It goes down, rots this area out, which you won't ever notice. But worse is if the particle board will give out and then your tub will crack. So seal all the way around your tub and especially across the top of your faucets, your bathtub faucet. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.